Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone Sharice, and today in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I did my infinity ponytail and how I got my hair to look so sexy and sleek like this, okay? In this video I partnered up with Better Length and I was sent a couple of clip-ins from them. Actually, I was sent quite a few. So I was sent the Afro kinky curly hair in 20 inches, and it's 20 inches when it's stretched, okay? So not 20 inches in its curly natural state, so when it's stretched. So I believe right here is one of the longest clip-ins, and this is how long it is when you stretch it. So it's really 20 inches when it's stretched. It's a lot of clip-ins, it's really full. You only get one set, I guess, per order. They kind of suggest that you only need one set, and after seeing how much came in that one set, you don't need any more than one set. The point of clip-ins is for you to put it in your hair and kind of blend it in with your real hair. It's not to have a full head of weave or clip-ins, okay? So I think it's enough. It's enough for, all you need is one bundle. That's it. You just have to know how to spread it out. And I love that this hair texture kind of matched with my natural hair texture as I was putting it in. I mean, I know I put it in a ponytail, but sometimes I've noticed when people do ponytails or whatever, their waves, their hair texture and everything does not really match with the back hair. And that's like one of my biggest pet peeves. This past summer, Issa Rae, you know, her show, we all love it, Insecure, was on, and I believe her name was Amanda Seales, and they were at the museum, I think it was, or at an event, and she had a middle part, and her hair was slicked back into a ponytail, and she had like this long, curly, big ponytail, okay? And her hair was blonde, which made it look even nicer, and it looked so nice, and I was just like, I need to recreate that look. So when I was contacted by Better Length, I was like, okay, I know what I want, I know what I'm gonna do. So that's why I went ahead and I did this look. Is it uncomfortable? No. You don't have to use all the clip-ins for this hairstyle. It's totally up to you. I just wanted to go big and boom. So a little bit about the hair. I love the feel of it. It's actually very soft. It honestly feels like real hair, like real hair. I did brush it out a little bit on camera because I wanted you guys to kind of see how it looked when it was brushed out. And I will say it looks like how if you had a real twist out and you brushed it out, it looks like your real hair. That's how it's gonna look. I did also try wetting it, and it did spring back into place. I didn't try flat ironing it because I feel like that would be pretty much defeating the purpose of having kinky textured clip-ins. So I did not go ahead and straighten it. It doesn't shed. I haven't experienced any shedding with it. I guess because you're not really expected to brush it too much. You can brush it, but I guess like because the point is not to really brush it. I haven't really expected any shedding or experienced any shedding. So the hair springs back, and when it springs back, it kind of springs back into its natural state. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run my fingers through it. Does it get frizzy? It does not get frizzy. It's like real hair. So if you comb your fingers through your natural real hair, any curly hair, it's gonna get a little bit frizzy because that's just how curly hair works. But for the most part, I don't feel like it gets frizzy. You just sitting there. Like, this is it going back to its natural state, and this is how it looks after I've just done that finger combing. So it still kind of holds itself back into its natural curl. I really wanted this ponytail to be fluffed out, like out to here, like some Naomi Campbell kind of hairstyle. I wanted it to look nuts, but nice nuts. And I couldn't really get it to look that nuts because I was scared if I go all out, will I be able to fix it back for the video? So I was like, I'm not going to do that. And this was my end result after I was done. Okay, so if you're wondering how long my ponytail is, it's right there. And here I am with the hairstyle. So I really, I'm in love with this look. I can't wait to take some pictures for Instagram and get all up on your screens with my new flicks. I have no complaints about this hair. I have different kinds of textures. I specifically chose the Afro kinky curly. They have looser textures. They have kinky texture. I think this is probably the kinkiest. And a little in between. The hair ranges between, I'm gonna call it affordable, so don't bite me in the ass when I say this, but this hair is actually affordable because you're getting a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair, guys. And I feel like it's worth it. The texture is really good. If you love to wear your natural hair and you're just not into the whole wigs, you're not into the whole sew-ins, then this is for you, which means you gotta spend a little buck to look nice. Okay? So the price for this is around $169. You can dye it, you can probably straighten it. I'm not gonna try that, but you could probably straighten it and, you know, do a whole lot. So it's really an investment into yourself. Not trying to sell you guys, I'm just trying to explain to you guys why prices are prices. The hair color that I received was in the natural color. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions about the hair company, or if you want me to do another tutorial with this hairstyle, let me know down below. I seen on the website they have a lot of girls that kind of blended it in with their natural hair, and it looks so nice. Like, I'm like, oh my god. I have a lot of heat damage, so I don't really know how that works. So I decided I'm not gonna go ahead and blend it in my hair. But my cousin has really good natural hair. You guys have seen her in a lot of my videos, so maybe I will use it on her hair and see what kind of hairstyle I can come up with. I can try that and let you guys know. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for my next videos.